to the recent zombie virus outbreak, our government is shutting down completely. We have captured a specimen and have found what parts of their brain is remaining. The doctor will explain this now. We must fight to keep our great nation alive. We are defining a zombie as any creature affected by the virus. Their actions can include a loss of personality, decaying flesh, slow, uncoordinated movement, and unnatural strength. Let's get right into it. The cerebrum is located in the upper part of the brain. It is responsible for brain functions like thought, action, emotion, and sensory data. In a zombie, it is partially damaged, impairing their movement and changing or outright removing their personality. Secondly, the cerebellum, located in the back of the brain, coordinates posture, movement, balance, and coordination. Zombies have damaged cerebellums because they have many problems with coordination, like not being able to run. The amygdala, responsible for fear, anxiety, and aggression, is halfway rotted as zombies have a heightened sense of aggression, but lack fear. The basal ganglia controls movement, emotion, and learning. In the zombie, it is heavily damaged because it has poor motor controls while walking, and it also appears to have no ability for voluntary movement. In a normal human, the hippocampus forms new memories, contributes to spatial navigation, and helps in the learning process. In a zombie, it is completely rotted, as they cannot form new memories and purely act on instinct. Zombies have no drives other than hunger, leading us to believe their hypothalamus is damaged at least 75% of the way. The occipital lobe, which controls visual processing, color, and depth perception, is damaged in a zombie because they can only spot humans when they're moving, and they rely mainly on sound. In a zombie, the parietal lobe, which controls touch and body sensation, is destroyed because zombies cannot feel pain and have poor motor control. Zombies struggle with decision-making, impulse control, and empathy, all controlled in the prefrontal cortex, which is completely rotted in zombies. The reticular formation that controls wakefulness and sleep cycles is barely functional in a zombie because they are always awake and do not need sleep. The temporal lobe, which controls hearing and memory storage, is highly rotted because zombies lose all their memories and don't understand speech. In humans, the thalamus relays sensory signals including sight, sound, taste, and touch, but in a zombie, it is slightly damaged due to their poor ability to see and hear. In Wernicke's area, the brain comprehends spoken and written language. In a zombie, it is completely decayed because they cannot attempt to speak or write. Zombies also have heavily damaged Broca's areas, or the area that controls speech production and grammar syntax, because they are unable to talk, only groaning.